dreams of making a living through music? Am I chasing mirages, lost in a vortex while a decade passes? Have I failed if I don't run the fastest? Tortoise in a marathon, sometimes I get disheartened, wandering through unkept gardens, seeing greener grass on their sides. The key is to focus on mine, organically grown, no pesticides, alkaline vegetables to feed my ambitions, navigate in the direction of my vision. Listen, I'm chasing. Way back when I said I wanted to leave them, I said I wanna